Good morning to all of you. Dear students, I do hope that all of you are fit and fine. Today, I am going to teach you a very important topic of writing section, that is article writing. Dear students, writing is not an easy task. As it is told by Francis Bacon, writing makes a man exact. You have to read a lot. You have to read newspaper, magazines, you have to collect points, information, then you are able to write properly. Today my concern is to tell you how to write a good article. Dear students, before we begin to know how to write good article, we must understand what is article writing. Now, what is an article? Dear students, article is a piece of writing usually intended for publication in a newspaper, magazine, journal. It is written for a wide audience, so it is essential to attract to retain the reader's attention. It may include amusing stories, reported speech, and descriptions. Article can be formal or informal depending on the target audience. It should be written in an interesting or entertaining manner. Students, it gives opinions, thoughts of the writer as well as facts related to the topic. It is in a less formal style than a report. So, I think the basic idea of what is an article you have already got it. Now, there are some things that we need to keep in our mind. First, what should it do? An article describes an experience, event, person, or place. It presents an opinion or balanced argument. What does balanced argument mean? It means pros and cons, means favor and against the topic discussion. It is also used for compare, contrast. It provides information, suggestions, and also advice. Now, students, there are some things, some points that we need to remember before writing a good article. Now, where is the article going to appear? In a newspaper or magazine? Who are the intended readers? A specific group such as student or teenagers or adults in general. What is the aim of article? Generally, the aim of article is to advise, to suggest, to inform, to compare, to contrast, and to describe the topic of common concern or a topic of current affairs. Now, students, again, there are some points that we must know. What is the format of article writing? First, it must have an eye-catching title to attract readers' attention. Now, title should not be more than 5 words. It should be suggestive, brief, and clearly tell the informations. Next, there will be body, content of article writing. Of course, it starts with an introduction of the topic and purpose of writing article. Then there will be paragraphs for main body, or you can say descriptive paragraphs, where we give lots of information, data, merits, demerits, pros and cons regarding the topic. Here you have to describe the topic in detail by giving information data. You can use pie chart, diagram, chart paper also to incorporate informations in descriptive section of your article. Now the last para for article writing is to conclusion, means to conclude with our final opinions. Of course it includes our suggestions as well as solutions to the problems which are discussed in our article writing. Now the question is how to make your article lively. I am giving you some tips. If you use it, your article writing really will be effective. First, addressing the reader directly. I will look at the issue. Let us have look. Direct questions. More and more people attend university. Where are more and more attending university? These are direct questions. Quotations. A very good writer is one who uses lots of quotations, figure of speech, literary devices, idioms, phrases to make their writing effective as well as entertaining. You can use some exclamation, okay, phrase also. Now there are some I have taken some cuttings from newspapers. Here there are 4 articles, but these articles are without title. Now what you have to do, you have to go through these articles and you have to find title, one suitable title for each one of these composition. Okay, thank you.